Hey guys, this is Tim. Welcome to Toolman Home Improvement again. Today we are doing an outside enclosure for those guys. So the easiest way to do it here is going to be chain link fence. And so what I'm doing now is I'm wetting the ground, getting it moist so that I can dig the post. So I can go at least 18 to 20 inches deep with the concrete, quickcrete there. And I put the first pole up already. We're going to go against this mountain here, come out about 24 feet in this area. So stay tuned. Alright, so this is the next stage of the enclosure for the gate, for the goats. We've got the poles set up now, and now we're going to put the chain link fence on, which you see right there. We've actually made also to a shade enclosure. We're going to put that there. We concreted those areas there, and we're going to put some plywood, which is right here, to be the shade on the top. Okay guys, welcome to Tim the Toolman of Home Improvement. This is truly an improvement on a home that I'm doing for a friend where they've got goats. And they're basically eating up all this area right here. And he has been tethering them because he's got no way to control them or have them leave the area. So we built a pen for them, basically chain link with some poles. I put a 4x4 overhang for them for the shade. They'll have food, water, and all that stuff there. It's got a gate hardware, but this is a real simple thing you can do without having somebody come and charge an arm and a leg. But the chain link, you get it in rolls. You basically just cut it to the size of the area that you're doing. So basically this took 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 poles to put together. About 4 bags of concrete, 6 4x4s, which you see there, and a gate that you can buy at Home Depot or Lowe's, any of those places. And put it on there, keep them all in. This is probably about a $500 materials, maybe less, maybe 3. But it took basically 2 days to do. Now we'll get the goats in there.